Okay. Hello everyone, and today we are actually on euro dollar. Okay, today is actually a very nice day, and I really want to share this analysis with you guys. Today is 3rd October, right? Sure. So let's get into this. It's raining outside right now very heavily, but I got to do this for you guys. So please don't forget to subscribe and remember to I'll be sharing free educational videos analysis for every week, okay, for every week and midweek market recap if possible. So what do we see here? We see that euro dollar has broken below the structure, which is a 90% rule. Okay, so this my 90% rule, it has broken out of this structure, and you can see what had happened. We go to the last time, you see this type of descending channel giving us this bullish pressure to the upside, reaching these areas of maybe resistance, something. Can I say so? So what do I actually see in euro dollar at this moment? What I see is that the possibilities of euro dollar pushing back to the upside around these areas is very possible. Okay, around these areas is very possible, and also the possibilities of euro dollar breaking this line and consolidating, giving us a nice bearish pressure to push price lower is also very possible. Okay, so let's go forward. Let me clear my charts and then start with new charts. Okay, fine. So now what do we see? We see price is actually in a very nice ascending channel, which actually means we are consolidating in the daily reversal trend line or daily reversal um, charts, okay, or patterns or try or let's just say structure. So let's just identify what do we have here. Currently, we were in this very big, what do I say? Very big correction, reversal correction. And what do we form? We formed a reversal over here, okay, which actually pushed price lower and lower. Now, where are we? We can go into a deeper correction and push price lower. But what do I expect to see? I expect to see price going back to this area, forming a double top of this particular high, then coming down back to the downside. Okay, so but it depends on how price reaches there, and price can also decide to give us a break. You can see we have a break out of this trend line in this 4-hour time frame. So now we are breaking out of this trend line. What do we now look for? Okay, now what do I look for? I look for selling opportunities. So what can happen is price can just come to this area and then start rejecting and pulling back to the upside. Okay, and pulling back to the upside. But what do we expect? Currently, we can see what you need to do as a trader. Always look very well to identify your patterns. We have this as a possible continuation pattern that can trickle its way all to the upside and even to this high if possible, then maybe before it drops, forming a larger structure. Okay, forming a larger structure to the up of a reversal to the downside. So what do I currently see? I don't see anything much here. As I said, I'll be looking to take sales if price gives me what I need actually, because I would like to take price to this area. Sorry, price to this area. Then if price doesn't give me that, I'll wait for price to reach to these highs before I definitely take my sales all the way down. All right, all the way down. You can see euro has presented itself very well. And what do we see again? We see a nice ascending channel, right? Hope you guys enjoy this because the rain is very raining very heavily. Okay, so forgive me for that. You know, it's just a season of rain, so let's not bother about that. Let's not just bother about the analysis. So okay, so now we can see we have a very nice reversal pattern forming around this area. Okay, and we will actually might be needing a double bottom around this area to take price lower, or maybe higher, take price from here to sell to these areas, then push back to the upside. How many pips do we get if we are selling? Let's say get about 70 to 90 pips, okay, maybe 100 or even below. If it reaches to this area, then we take price higher, or maybe price reaches here, consolidate, giving us a double top, then we push back down. You understand? Cool. So this is my analysis for the week.